Hi guys, here is how you can add blur to an image or video on CapCut PC. So I've already opened CapCut. Let me create a project. Now I'll be using this sample video and this sample image to blur. Let's first try with the image. Let me quickly drag the image here. So the image is here. So the first thing is duplicate the image, press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So the image has been duplicated. Now go to Effects and search for blur. Here is it. Now drag the blur effect. However, do not use the blur like this on top. Instead, drag the blur to the image itself, something like this. Now adjust the blur as required, so it is done. Now highlight the image and click on Mask here and choose the blur effect you want. Horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangle, hearts or stars. I will choose circle and you can blur it. Adjust the size as required. And if I play it, this is how it looks. And if you want to edit the blur, right click on the first image, click on Edit Effects and you can adjust the blur. So this is for the image. Now let's try for the video. Let me import this sample video. I downloaded this video from Pexels. In this video, I wanted to blur this number. So to do that, simply duplicate the video, Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+V. Make sure it starts from the same line. After that, go to Effects. Now again choose blur, or you can search the blur here. Also in the video, do not place the blur like this. Instead, put it on the video. Adjust the blur as required. Highlight this video, go to Mask, choose the shape as you want. I will choose rectangle. Adjust the size. And this is done. Simply play it and pause it. As the video is moving, click here to add keyframes and adjust the blur. So add keyframes and adjust the blur as it is moving. So this is done. Now let's play the video. Looks all good. Now again, if you want to adjust the blur, right click on the video, go to Edit Effects and you can adjust the blur as required. We really hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.